Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices with Chase QuickDeposit for cash flow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring invoices with Chase QuickDeposit, ensure you have a Chase business account. Download the Chase mobile app from your device's app store. Open the app and log in with your credentials. From the home screen, select the deposit option. Choose Quick Deposit from the available deposit methods. Select the account where you want to deposit the funds. Tap on Invoicing to start the invoice transfer process. If this is your first time, you may need to set up your invoicing details. Enter the details of the invoice you wish to transfer. Make sure to input the invoice number, date, and amount accurately. You can also add a description for better tracking. After entering all necessary information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Submit to proceed with the invoice transfer. You will receive a confirmation of the transfer on your screen. Check your email for a receipt of the transaction for your records. Monitor your account balance to ensure the transaction has been processed. That's it. You have successfully transferred invoices using Chase QuickDeposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.